What's up, great people? In this video, we will be talking about what you should plant in your garden in October. Yes, it's October, y'all. Let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Woo! Bum, we have made it to yet another month, ladies and gentlemen. It is October. I am also excited, as you can tell. And my name is Ricky Jones Jr. If you are new to this channel, hello. I am a lover of gardening and everything that has to do with it. So if you're a beginner gardening or curious gardener or anybody in between, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, click that like button, and please let me know where you are gardening from so that we can say hello to you wherever you are. So let's go ahead and talk about the great things that we can go ahead and put in our garden now that it is the month of October, okay? Starting from the top with rooted vegetables, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't already done so, you heard what I said. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and plant your beets, your radishes, your carrots, your parsnips, your turnips, your rutabaga this month, okay? You can do those bad boys from seeds. As you all know, I planted some beets and some carrots last month. However, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and do so this month, okay? Now you wanna go ahead and make sure you do that this month, okay? Don't wait another month from doing that, okay? All right, some other things that we can do is, of course, we have colorful harvests that can take place from the beets and things like that with all the various things. Carrots also as well have so many various colors, and it's not just orange, okay? I don't know if you know, but there are also many colors of carrots that you can participate in, as well as even corn. For the sake of the conversation, I didn't even know there was a such thing as glass corn, which yeah, I mean, it's just like that, yeah, exactly. But anyway, go ahead and plant your rooted vegetables, okay, ladies and gentlemen? Don't wait another month. Now is the time. Also, now it's the time to go ahead and plant our leafy green vegetables and brassicas, okay? Y'all know I love my leafy greens, and that's why I'm even over here by my raised beds right now, because you see them a little bit bare now, but sooner or later you will see some nice green assortments, leafy greens growing, okay? And those things are such as lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard, okay? Swiss chard, that's what I meant. And you can plant those bad boys from seeds as well. As you all know, I've done some seed starts in the back, as well as done some direct seeding into the soil itself. So go ahead and do those things, okay? That's leafy greens such as your lettuce, your kale, your collard greens, your Swiss chard, okay? All the things from the brassica family. That's also including your broccoli, your cabbage, your Brussels sprouts, your cauliflower from transplant, if that's what you choose, okay? So even following off what we did in September, what I'm saying is right now, go ahead and do it, okay? You had the opportunity in September, but don't run from it. Go towards it, okay? And make it happen. This is the time. Brassica family, it's this time to shine, okay? The latter parts of the year, and in some cases, even in Florida, there are some varieties of kale and collards, and even Swiss chards for that matter, that will last throughout the year. But if you want it in the ground, or if you want it in your belly, or if you want it for the latter part of the year, now is the time to go ahead and plant these bad boys. So don't wait another month. The brassica family's time to shine is now, so go ahead and put it in the ground. That's all I'm saying, okay? Thank you. Okay, what else do we have? All right, great people, so now the third section we have going on are things such as your onions, your garlic, your shallots, your chives, and your leeks, okay? Plant them. Okay, it's like the onion family. These are like your things that add little spices and, you know, savory taste and things like that to your cuisines, your cooking, your grilling, your pickling, whatever illings you want to go ahead and do with these things. Again, those are your onions, your garlics, your shallots, your chives, and your leeks, okay? Leeks. I've already done some, what are those things over there? Something like some garlic or something like that. Already chives. I have chives going on over there. Also a part of the family as well. But go ahead and plant these bad boys now. Not only do they do well on your table, but they also are a deterrent of pests, as we saw. All right, so we've already planted some garlic in the raised beds as well. And so go ahead and plant these bad boys. You can do it from seed, or in a case like a garlic, you can do it from cloves, okay? But with that being said, put it in the garden. Now is the time, because now's the time where they do what they do so that you can harvest it in the spring or sometimes a little bit before, depending on where it is in its growth process when you plant it. All right. So, last but not least, we can plant some peas in the soil. Peas in the soil. But y'all know I love some peas, right? Let's talk about like snap peas. What else? What else we have? We have snap peas, snow peas, garden peas from seeds and all those things like that. Now the things with peas are that you want to make sure that they have a trellis situation to grow along. They do need that support to be able to climb up on and do what they do. So when you plant the peas, have that in mind so that you won't be disappointed in them bad boys taking over your raised bed or your garden bed or your container, whatever you are growing in. So with that being said, we have those things, okay? And peas do well just as beans do well, and allowing for nitrogen to be fixated into the soil by way of the roots because they are hungry for the nitrogen. And so planting those bad boys along with your brassica family is going to bring about harmony, as well as your garlic as well, which you talked about on another video this week. But at the end of the day, all right, great people. So I hope that you have some things in the ground, because we know in order to have a harvest, you have to first plant a seed into the ground. And so go ahead and plant your seed now. Now's the time for seed time, and then we'll celebrate each other and be happy with each other during harvest time when we get to harvest those things in which we have in the ground, because it's the month of October, the month of opportunity, okay? We're now into fall, so let's allow for fall to have fun with us, okay? All right, great people, I love you all. If you have other things that you are growing in the garden this month, go ahead and let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, let's all learn and grow together, and let's have fun in our garden. Let's have fun in our raised beds. Let's have fun in our containers. Let's have fun in our 5-gallon buckets. Whatever it is that we are growing in, let's have fun doing it together, okay? I love you all. I appreciate you all. Until next time, peace. Love you.